dear students. Hope you are well and healthy. Welcome to NIES Homeschool. This is Fatima Sayyid Shika, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School College. Today I am going to take English class for the students of class 5 on the topic of Unit 1, Lesson 4 to 7. Students, I am repeating. Today our topic is Unit 1, Lesson 4 to 7. Students, this is our second lecture of this subject. As this is a new year and new session of 2021, we are going to start our class with your English for Today book. So, take your English for Today class 5, this book, and open page number 4. Unit 1, Lesson 4. We'll discuss about Lesson 4 to Lesson 7. That means Lesson 4, 5, 6, 7. After reading the text, we'll solve some question answer. So, let's start our class. Students, Unit 1, Lesson 4 to 5, page number 4. I'm going to read that text. Shima and Tamal are in the town hall language club. They come to the club to practice speaking English. They listen to CDs and watch DVDs in English or speak English with friends. Today there is a new person in the club. He is a young man. He is reading a book about Bangladesh. Now the conversation starts with Shima. Shima is asking, "Look, Tamal, who's that gentleman? Do you know him?" Tamal is replying, "Yes, that's Andy Smith. He's working with an NGO here. I met him yesterday at the bookshop." Shima is saying, "Maybe we can practice our English with him." Tamal, "Good idea. I'll introduce you to him. Come with me." Students, from this text we come to know that Shima and Tamal, who wants to improve their spoken English, goes town hall language club, and there Shima finds a gentleman named Andy Smith, and Tamal said that he met him at the bookshop, and Shima thinks that it would be good for them to practice English with Andy Smith. Now students, go to page number 5, lesson 6 to 7. Here is a conversation and I'm going to read it. First, Tamal is saying, "Hello Andy." Now Andy is asking, "Hi Tamal, how are you?" Tamal is saying, "Fine, thanks. Andy, meet my friend Shima Zaman." And Shima, this is Andy Smith. Shima is saying, "Hello Mr. Smith." In reply, Andy is saying, "Hello, please call me Andy. And can I call you Shima?" Shima, "Sure." And at last Andy is saying, "Please sit down. Let's chat." So from here we find the conversation among Tamal, Andy and Shima. They introduce each other. Now students, again come to page number 4. Look in number F, pair word, ask and answer the question. So now we will solve these given questions. Our first question is, where are Shima and Tamal? Students, can you answer this? Where are they? That means Shima and Tamal. You'll get the answer in that text. Look at the first line. Shima and Tamal are in the town hall language club. So from this line we find the answer and we have to write the answer like this. Shima and Tamal are in the town hall language club. Our next question is, why did they go there? Do you know the answer? Why did they go there? We find the answer in this line. They come to the club to practice speaking English. So here we are saying that Shima and Tamal go to the club to practice speaking English. So we have to write the answer. They go there to practice English. Look, in the question we find the verb go, and in our text the word is come. So according to the question we have to write the word go. They go there to practice English. Next question is, who is the new person there? I'm repeating, who is the new person there? Students, from the text we come to know that Andy Smith, he is the person who is new there. So we have to write the answer like this. Andy Smith is the new person there. Now, question number 4. What is he reading? Here he means Andy. From the text we come to know that Andy is reading something, and it is a book about Bangladesh. The line is, he is reading a book about Bangladesh. So here we have to write Andy Smith, he is reading a book about Bangladesh. Here we can't write Andy Smith because in our question we find the word he. He is a pronoun, so we have to use pronoun. He is reading a book about Bangladesh. Now come to question number 5. Where did Tamal meet the new person? We know that Tamal met the new person, that means Andy, at a bookshop. So we have to write the answer like this. You can say Tamal met the new person at the bookshop. Students, here a question can be arise in your mind. You can say, Miss, why you write met? In the question the word is meet, M-E-E-T, meet, and you have written in the answer M-E-T, met. Your question is absolutely correct. Look, in the question, where did Tamal meet the new person? Students, we know that when we find the word do, does, or did, do, does, or did, we have to use the base form of the verb. So, if you find any verb like do, does, did, after this verb you have to use the base form of the verb. You can say like this. Look, here we use do, then go. Do, the verb do, and we use the base form of the verb go. And again here we use the base form of the verb meet, because here at first we find the verb did. So after do, does, did, we have to use the base form of the verb. And according to the question, we have to answer the question. So this question is in past tense, so we must have to give the answer in past tense. So the first form of the word meet is met. M-E-T, met. The first form of the word verb meet is met. That's why I have written meet here. Tamal met the new person at the bookshop. Now come to question number, and our last question number 6. Why does Shima want to meet the new person? Students, do you know the reason why Shima wants to meet the new person? Yes, you are absolutely right. Shima wants to meet the new person to practice English. You will get the answer here that Shima is saying, maybe we can practice our English with him. So, you have to write Shima wants to meet the new person to practice English. Again, you can ask me why you is with the word want. The same question, same answer. We find does here, and after do, does, did, we must have to use base form of the verb. So we have to use want. And as it is in present tense, the question is in present tense, we must have to write or give the answer in present tense. Shima. Shima, the word is third person singular number and it is a noun. So after third person singular number, we have to use is or es with the verb if the sentence is in present tense. So the answer will be Shima wants to meet a new person to practice English. And I hope you are able to understand the rule of this tense. So students, please read the text again and please practice this question answer at your home. Students, that's all for today. Please practice more and more at your home. Read the text again and again. You are staying at home, so you have enough time. Please eat healthy and stay well. Allah Hafiz. See you in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.